What's the meaning of chutney? Chutney. Chutney.
Chutney. Chutney. Chutney is a type of condiment that originated in India and is now popular all over the world. It is typically made from a combination of fruits or vegetables with spices, vinegar, and sugar. The ingredients are cooked together to create a thick, flavorful sauce that can be used as a dip, spread, or accompaniment to other dishes. Chutneys can vary greatly in flavor and texture depending on the ingredients used, and are often served alongside Indian cuisine such as curries, biryanis, and samosas.